and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is the Range Rover SVR. Unbelievable bit of kit, and what we've installed is the top of the line dash camera system. So this is a front and rear system that will also protect your asset while the vehicle is parked. So it's the Blackvue DR900S 4K image quality camera from the front. Got a full HD Blackvue rear camera, and then we're using a B124 battery system. So this system has all been installed within our workshop facilities in Cambridge. If you're interested in a system like this and you are a little bit further afield, as though this customer was as well, feel free to get in contact with us and we'll talk you through exactly how the best ways to get the expert to be installing in your vehicle. So we're all trained technicians here at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio, and in our state-of-the-art facilities that I'm standing in front of, we've got all the facilities that you would need while we're working on your vehicle, in terms of Wi-Fi, waiting room, free tea and coffee, as well as a lovely area to walk around as well. So with every installation that when you come in to see us, we like to walk you around our workshop facilities as well as our showroom, show you everything that we can do and we can offer, and also where your vehicle is going to be worked on. So the dash camera has all been neatly tucked away behind all the trim. Everything's gone back to the way we found it. So this particular install, the customer already had the front camera installed using a PowerMagic Pro. The way that we've installed this, customer was looking for a slightly better solution and for it to record slightly longer while the vehicle was parked. So that's why we've gone for the new Blackvue battery. We've added that in, as well as installed the rear camera. The rear camera on these Range Rovers are really difficult to install. That's why we only recommend that we do the installation carried out within our workshop facilities. So this basically requires us to remove that rear spoiler, and that's where we go at the grommet on the through one of the sides, and we can choose that with you. We choose locations of dash cameras on the day. It does take a little bit longer to install than a traditional camera on any other vehicle. But if you own a Jaguar or a Range Rover, you have one of these, and you might have heard on forums the problems that people are experiencing when they're installing it. It's because you have to remove that rear spoiler to access that panel. So because that panel is all bonded towards the glass, it's really, you can't get a cable through there. So with all this has been carried out, it's all been professionally done. All the wiring behind the scenes is all cloth taped alongside manufacturer wiring. So all our engineering team that are here at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio are all FITAS approved and trained at installing in top of the range vehicles like this one here. So for more details, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all our social media links below, our Instagram page, so you feel free to check that out, and we'll be uploading some pictures of this install on there. The battery, we can also choose locations on that as well. This particular customer wanted it relatively accessible because they're adding on a USB onto the battery, and what that's going to be, where the customer wanted that place, is inside the glove box. So it's all neatly put away in there. You can still put stuff on top, so you're not losing too much functionality. So thank you for watching our short video on the Range Rover SVR Blackvue DR900S 2-channel system with the B124 battery. And if hopefully you found this content useful, so please don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe too. Thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading your Range Rover soon.